Hey guys, what's up? I'm Gladia and I be the chef. Today I'm here with this delicious pumpkin soup recipe. I'm sorry I have been gone for so long, but here I am. So if you're interested, keep on watching, try this recipe, and you can be the chef too. So first off, I'm going to be starting by making the shrimp stock. I'm making the shrimp stock because I'm not going to be frying the shrimp. So if you have anything that you're not going to be frying, add it to the pot. I'm adding one chopped onion, and I also added 2 habanero peppers. You can also blend your pepper and onion. I'm adding some seasoned salt, some black pepper, and some Old Bay. You don't have to use what I'm using. You can use anything you have. Here I am with some chicken and some fish. You can add any meat you want to the pumpkin soup. I'm adding some seasoned salt, some black pepper, some paprika. Once I'm done seasoning the chicken and the fish, I will fry them and set them aside. After frying the fish and the chicken, I have some oil in this pot. I will let this heat up. After it's done heating up, I will add the pumpkin and let it fry till it's a little soft. Adding the onion and the garlic makes it more flavorful. I am adding 1 chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic. So right now I'm adding some seasonings. After that, I will let this fry for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will add only the liquid. I'm not gonna add the shrimp because I don't want the shrimp to overcook. I'm adding some paprika for a little bit of flavor and color. The liquid is almost dry from the soup, so I will be adding the chicken. After adding the chicken, I will taste the soup and see if I need to adjust my seasonings. And if I do, I will make the adjustment and I will let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, I am adding the shrimp and the fish. I hope you're making plans to cook this soup as soon as possible because you are missing out. This soup is so delicious. So please, please make plans as soon as possible to try this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please thumbs up, please subscribe, and please share with your family, your friends. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.